Hey guys! Today, as promised in my last video, I said I would grind up 50 more spooky crates. And as promised, I did. So today we will be opening up 50 spooky crates to see if we can get corrupted cameraman. Now, last video it did not go, so, well, we opened up 128 spooky crates and only 3 legendaries. So let's see if we will have better luck, but we have less crates, so we can't expect much. Without being said, let's get right into it. What the hell? 3 legendaries in one. Then that's basically as good as my last video. Well, this did not go well, besides the legendaries. But I guess be sure to like and sub, and I will grind up another 50 crates. Whoa.